Welcome back to Duane V8 Motorsports. Quick update here, got the old 55 back. Do a little walk around, maybe show some in-car video. Duane Merritt did a great job. Duane's up here in Oregon City. He got a bunch of things done on this thing. Got the seats in it, seat mounts. He made the harness mounts for the 5-point harnesses I got from Stroud through Summit, so thanks for those. And did exhaust on this thing. So it's got nice new 4-inch stainless MagnaFlows on both sides. Everything's really well done. Duane's a perfectionist. Everything fits tight, it's very sturdy. Duane knows the NHRA rules, and so everything is safe and legal. He did a great job. He did some extra stuff that I hadn't planned on. He reworked the window net, so it's mounted better. And he cut out a thing for the shifter, so some trim pieces. And so this thing's still pretty torn apart inside. I'm gonna clean it up, put the carpets back in it, probably powder coat or paint some of the stuff that Duane did. He painted it, but you know, I like things really shiny, so you know. But no, he did a great job. So big thanks to Duane. Oh, and let's kick it off. And I have to give a shout out to my boys down at Burns Brothers Performance. They are getting together tonight. Couldn't be there tonight, but cheers to you guys. Cheers. And yeah, so we'll take a drive in this thing, watch the clip coming up, and see this thing pulling gears. It actually made it both ways, to Duane's house and back. And so it's seen a little bit of street time, and still getting used to it, but definitely has plenty of power. And it's fun shifting those gears. So stay tuned. So Duane got rid of the evacuation tubes that were on there. I'm not going to run those, just going to run little puke tanks. He put on the V-bands and welded all the 4-inch pipe up, put in all the exhaust brackets and everything, got the turnouts. She sounds good. I like it. Thanks again, Duane.